How to find post view history settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find post view history settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find post views, and here you will find this one here, post view history, and you can turn it on or off just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.